Today's assignment looks very similar to Tuesday and Wednesday, but today we're focused on connecting to poetry, making those text to self connections. So if we read our instructions, it says read the following poem and use the annotation guide and the symbols to help you complete your task. Again, our annotation guide is here. Today we're working on using a cloud, and this cloud represents when these lines that you chose make you think of something. Maybe they remind you of something, or this happened to you. That's when you'll use the cloud. Okay, so you're going to find two lines that remind you of something that has happened to you on each slide. Then you're going to drag and drop the cloud next to the lines. And then in the box at the bottom, explain what your lines make you think of. So let's take a look at the assignment itself. On slide 2, you'll see our same poem. You have audio still. You have your symbols, 2 clouds, your annotation guide to remind you what the clouds are for. Just like before, we're going to take these clouds and drag them next to something. Maybe it's this first line. Here I sit in English class. The likelihood is that I won't pass. Maybe you connect to that. So you're going to put your cloud right next to it. And where it says explain your first example, you're going to type in here. You do have sentence stems over here to the left. If you want to use them, you could say, this makes me think about how I feel when I'm in English class, or this reminds me of a time when I sat in English class, or I felt like this when I started English in middle school. Okay, so you're going to do that 2 times and explain for both examples where your clouds are. All right, and you have that for, you can do it on slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, and slide 6. It's the same poem, guys, that we've been working with all week, okay? If you have questions,